So I'm parked out at the beach right now, and I'm going to eat my breakfast. And out here actually has quite a few persons out here, but I'm gonna eat, and then I'll probably walk on the beach for a little minute when I'm done. I also got coffee with my order. I am still sleepy. Like, I am still like tired. But okay. That coffee at the Subway, it isn't good coffee. Not at all, but it's doable. No, it's not Subway. It's okay coffee. The coffee at Wendy's is horrible. The coffee at Wendy's is horrendous. Yeah. So, or should I go and sit outside? To eat. I think I'll stick with my original plan. Eat in the car and then go and walk on the beach, because I don't want the sand and stuff to get on my hands and on the food. And this girl doesn't look like she knows how to control her dog. It's like running away from her right now, and I don't want to fight with a dog for food. But okay, stirring this coffee. Okay, it tastes adequate. Oh, she's leaving. I think this probably is the workout crowd, but it's around 10 o'clock. Yeah, doable. That's still on the beach because this is an awkward time for, I didn't expect to see anyone. So my go-to order at Subway for breakfast especially is always the Italian BLT with add egg, and I always get whole wheat bread, and I did tomato, cucumber, olives and green peppers with honey mustard and sriracha. I would have loved spinach, but they didn't have any, and their lettuce looked wilted, so I didn't get any lettuce either. So it's good. And I think she put American cheese on it, because she didn't ask me what type of cheese I wanted. Did I say that yesterday I won a TV? My shipping company, they're doing 12 days of giveaways, and I spun the wheel and I actually won a prize for once. I normally don't win any prizes. One time when I was in college, I went to bingo with one of my friends. But this particular one, a lot of people loved going to their bingo because they have awesome prizes. And she literally won like 5 prizes from the different bingo games because she won bingo 5 times that night. Plus, she won another prize. I think it was like the door prize or something. And I didn't win a thing. Yeah. The water is really pretty today. In the same shade, but they didn't have the same shade. 5 of the same shade, I'm trying to say. So what I ended up doing, this one is 55 Royal. It's a true red. And then the next one is 30 Unraveled. And it's more of a pinky shade. But I feel like they're similar enough that it should be fine. But when I saw these, I was like, this is such a perfect idea because I actually like this product. And it's something that I would suggest giving for a gift. Because I didn't know what to get. But yeah. Okay. I'm gonna finish eating. I'm gonna finish eat and then come back when I go to walk the beach. This one is this is 120 Punchy. And it's a good nudie color for me. It's another one that is always sold out. I think it's 40. I forget what the name of the color is, but it's always sold out. And that would be my favorite one to get as a nude on my skin tone. But every time I try and purchase it, I can't ever find it. So I am going to switch. Luckily I have some flats in here. I'm going to switch into those because I don't think I want to get sun in my tennis, so I'll switch into those. That'll be it. It is still a little cool, but being on the beach in direct sun, it might get a little warmer. Putting my headphones. Oh, last night I updated my Instagram. I have my Instagram where people can't message me. Like they have to send a request to message me, but it does tell me what you want to message. So I just got a random message. I update because I still have so much photos and stuff to post from my birthday trip that I'm slowly getting to it, and then I have some new things that I need to post, and also the holidays are coming up, so of course you have those stuff that you'll be posting. Okay, I think I'll carry my coffee because I need it. I'm very sleepy. So I might go back home and take a nap actually. My OOTD, just the Sage leggings and this pullover tan sweater, and drinking my coffee. I'm grateful for where I live, that I can always walk out and see the ocean. Let's walk. I thought I was recording. I was saying it's just so beautiful.
getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no.
Okay, I found a shell. It's like a little clam shell, but I think I'm going to walk back now. I know you saw that I almost broke my ankle. That's because I'm wearing like croc-like shoes, and the moss on these rocks are slippery. Normally with high tide they would be covered, but whew, I'll carry this back to remember my little beach adventure today. So this is nice. So let's start walking back down, and I wanted to try, I'm always taking photos, so yeah. The wind is winning today. So disaster struck. I'm still in disbelief right after I did that last clip where I was like, oh, I'm headed back and it's super windy. I put my DJI camera in my bag, and I think the coffee cup fell, so I went to pick that up, and then my bag fell and the DJI fell out, and it literally hit, I guess, a rock, and it cracked the screen, and so now it's broken. And like I say, I'm trying not to cry. That's such a blow. It's such a loss. And yeah, it's just such a loss. Okay, I'm gonna finish my walk. Thank God for his many mercies and for the time that I had with that camera. And I just looked on Amazon. I can't afford to get a new one, but then I just looked on YouTube, and it looks like they might be coming out with a upgraded version soon. So like I say, that camera is such a good camera. I feel like I can't be without it anymore. So now I'm trying to figure out what I need to do, but I want to take a second because it just happened. Well, the DJI, it still works. However, the viewing screen is broken, but it does still work. But what I have decided to do is when the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 comes out, I'll buy the new version. But thank you all for enjoying this relaxing until it wasn't morning with me. I'll see you in my next adventure.